Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find unclaimed airdrops for your wallet. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. And please note that this method works for Ethereum, BSC and Cosmos wallets only for now. There is no support for Solana wallets, so we'll need to wait for the Solana wallets in the future. Now the app that you would like to use for checking any unclaimed airdrop is Bankless app, and they have done a tie-up with basically Earn5, or I think they have bought this Earn5. Now if we talk about the supports with regards to the unclaimed airdrop, you can basically check any unclaimed airdrop on Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Arb, Immutable X, then there is BSC, Avalanche, Genesis Chain and Cosmos. Now Cosmos, there is some beta partial support, so it's not supported fully, and for now you have to manually copy and paste all the address on the Cosmos ecosystem. Like for Atom you will need to copy the Atom address, for Osmosis you will need to copy and paste the Osmosis address in order to check any unclaimed airdrop. Now here you can go ahead and check any unclaimed airdrop. I will leave this link in the description where you can go ahead and check any unclaimed airdrop. So for the video purpose I will be selecting one random address from Etherscan. So let us go to Etherscan over here, and maybe I will check some latest transaction, maybe this one. So basically I will go ahead and copy one of the address over here and we'll go and paste it over here. So as you can see, it's checking for the airdrop and there is no claimable tokens nor POAPs for this specific address. Now similarly you can use the similar link on Bankless app over here, where you can simply go ahead and paste the address and click on go, and we can wait for it to check. So as you can see, there is nothing to claim for this wallet. Now you can also join the pro membership. Now the pro membership will cost somewhere around $20 to $22 per month, and I think yearly it's like $210. So basically this will give you access to more airdrop farming opportunities in the future. So there are a lot of them. Once you sign up over here, it will show a list of all the different airdrops that you can go ahead and farm and basically complete some task in order to farm those airdrops. Now to be honest, I am a free member. I haven't subscribed to them. I'm not sure whether I will go ahead and subscribe to Bankless, but maybe I can consider this in the future. Now if we talk about the Cosmos address check over here, let me go to MinScan and check for some random address over here. So as you can see, this person has delegated like 100 atoms for staking rewards and airdrop potential. So let us go and copy this address and check if he or she is eligible for any specific airdrop. So as you can see, nothing is found. So I'm not sure whether this works or not, but I think this should work, because if we go to their website over here, where was it? Let me go and check this Bankless website. And if we go down over here, somewhere it's mentioned like how many people have subscribed to it. It's like more than 200,000 people that have already subscribed and getting all the details out of it. I think so, it's somewhere over here. So I'm not able to find it, but as soon as I find it I will let you know. But yeah, and there are a few YouTubers also, I think, talking about it. But once again, do your own research. I mean, none of this is a financial advice. If you want to go ahead and take the pro subscription for Bankless. So with this method you can go ahead and find any unclaimed airdrop for your different wallets. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.